Hi guys, a warm welcome to BioClasses YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss you two topics from Mendelian genetics. First one is the reason for selecting pea plant for hybridization experiment, and second one is the 7 contrasting traits studied by Mendel in pea plant for his experiment. I hope all of you know Gregor Johannes Mendel is regarded as father of genetics. He born in the year 1822 and died in the year 1884. Gregor Johannes Mendel conducted his experiment in pea plant Pisum sativum for 7 years starting from 1856 to 1863. The scientific name of pea plant is Pisum sativum. Pisum is the genus name, sativum is the species name. Pisum sativum is the scientific name of pea plant. It has 7 pairs of chromosomes. Pisum sativum has 7 pairs of chromosomes. Now let us see what are the reasons for selecting pea plant for hybridization experiment by Gregor Johannes Mendel. First reason for selecting pea plant for hybridization experiment is it is an annual plant. It completes its life cycle within single growing season. Therefore, it is an annual plant. It completes its life cycle within single growing season. Second reason is it can be cultivated easily. Pisum sativum can be cultivated easily and it is easily available. Pisum sativum is easily available and can be cultivated easily. Third reason is it has bisexual flower, a flower having both androecium and gynoecium. It is a bisexual flower or hermaphroditic flower. Pea plant has bisexual flower. This is the third reason for selecting pea plant for hybridization experiment. See the picture of pea flower here. It has both pistil and stamen, both androecium and gynoecium. Therefore, self-pollination and cross-pollination are possible in pea plant. Both self-pollination and cross-pollination are possible in pea plant. That is the fourth reason for selecting pea plant for hybridization experiment. Fifth reason for selecting pea plant is many varieties with well-defined characters were available. Many varieties having contrasting characters were available. That is the fifth reason for selecting pea plant for hybridization experiment. It is an annual plant. It is easily available. It can be cultivated easily. Different varieties having different contrasting traits are available. It has bisexual flower. Both self-pollination, cross-pollination is possible. These are the reason for selecting pea plant for hybridization experiment by Gregor Johannes Mendel. Pea plant Pisum sativum. He studied 7 pairs of contrasting characters in pea plant Pisum. Let us see what are they. First one, height of the plant. Stem height, tall versus dwarf. Tall is dominant, dwarf is recessive. Genotype of tall is capital T, and genotype of dwarf is small t. Second character is the position of flower. The position of flower, axial flower and terminal flower. Axial is dominant, terminal is recessive. Axial is represented by genotype capital A, and terminal is represented by small a. Third character is color of flower. Violet flower is dominant and white flower is recessive. The genotype is for violet capital V, and for white small v. This is the third contrasting traits. Next feature is shape of seed. See the picture here. Round seed and wrinkled seed. Round is dominant, wrinkled is recessive. Genotype of round is capital R, and that of wrinkled is small r. Round versus wrinkled. Fifth feature is color of seed. In pea plant, yellow seed color is dominant and is represented by capital Y, and green seed is recessive, represented by small y. Sixth feature is the color of pod. Pod color in pea plant, green pod color is dominant and yellow pod color is recessive. The genotype of green is capital G, and that of yellow is small g. The seventh contrasting character is the shape of pod. The pod has inflated shape. It is dominant in pea plant, and recessive character is constricted. See the shape here. First one is inflated, represented by capital I. The second one is constricted pod shape having genotype small I. This is all about today's session. Thank you for watching BioClass YouTube channel. Keep watching. See you. Bye. Take care. Recessive. Constricted is recessive. So these are the 7 contrasting traits studied by Mendel in pea plant. The characters studied by Mendel are the height of plant, the position of flower, color of flower, shape of seed, color of seed, color of pod, and shape of pod. These are 7 contrasting characters studied by Mendel in pea plant. Okay, see you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Study well. Prepare well.